Number 1.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, well-kept pickup that has remained with a single owner since new, showing 145,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission paired with the strong and dependable 5.7L Vortec gasoline engine, a combination well known for both reliability and performance. Finished in a classic white exterior with a clean interior, this truck carries a clean title and is located in Menifee. Mechanically, it runs well and continues to deliver the solid driving experience these trucks are known for. As expected from a 26-year-old vehicle, it does show some cosmetic flaws, but nothing that takes away from its overall character or usability. While not perfect, it reflects the care it has received over the years and stands as a good example of a late-90s Chevrolet pickup. This truck would make a dependable driver or a great candidate for light restoration to bring out its full potential.
Number 2.
1976 Chevrolet C10, price $9,999. This truck is a one-owner classic that's been garage-kept its entire life and still turns heads nearly 50 years later. Finished in white with a green interior, it comes with a clean Nevada title, the original manuals, and keys, powered by the original 350 small block V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. This long bed pickup has been carefully maintained with a rebuilt quadrajet carburetor, new tires, and recent replacements including the water pump, thermostat, hoses, and plugs. Disc brakes, a working stereo, and fully functional lights make it road-ready. The interior is pristine with no rips or tears, and the truck starts right up, runs smoothly, and needs nothing. A pure 70s Chevy in remarkable condition.
Number 3.
1993 GMC 1500, price $10,000, finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by the reliable 350 small block V8 engine. The truck runs and drives like new, starting up with just one turn of the key. Inside, the cabin is in excellent condition, with no rips or tears in the seats and no stains on the cloth upholstery. The power windows function smoothly, going up and down without any issues. On the outside, all of the chrome remains in great shape, giving the truck a clean and well-kept appearance. Recent updates include a brand new set of tires, which have only about 1,000 miles on them, along with a new battery.
The only minor issue is that the air conditioning is currently not operational.
Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1981 Toyota pickup, price $7,000. This truck comes equipped with a 22 or carbureted 4-cylinder engine paired to a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering the classic driving experience these trucks are known for. Finished in brown with a black interior, it features power steering for easier handling and still wears its original California blue license plate, adding to its vintage appeal. In 2024, the truck received several important maintenance updates, including a new clutch, a new radiator core, retaining the original brass, and fresh valve cover gaskets.
The vehicle is completely free of leaks.
More recently, in September 2025, it was fitted with a new fuel pump, along with a new water pump and fan blade, ensuring reliable performance.
Number 5.
1996 Dodge Ram, price $10,000. This truck shows 280,000 miles and still runs with its original 5.9L 360 engine. A 355 Spicer rear end was installed by the previous owner, along with a transmission rebuild using upgraded internals. While no paperwork is available, its smooth driving character at this mileage makes the claim believable. In 2023, the truck received a full exterior restoration, heavily layered in clear coat and documented with extensive photos. At that time, it was lowered, fitted with brand new 20-inch torque thrust 2 wheels, and equipped with new tires. The interior is clean and features a dashskin molded dash cover, a new 1,200-watt stereo, and a fresh headliner. The seats, sourced from a van, are comfortable and match well, though not original. Everything functions as it should, and the rear frame rails have been patched to a high standard.
Number 6.
1998 Chevrolet Silverado, price $3,500. It comes with a clean Texas title. It wears a striking red exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a timeless classic look. With 190,000 miles on the odometer, it has been driven but remains all original, with everything still stock from the factory. Power comes from the dependable 5.7L V8 engine matched to an automatic transmission, delivering the strength and reliability these models are known for. The truck also features the classic 6-lug setup and a fully functional 4-wheel drive system, making it ready for both work and adventure. While it is currently not running and will require some maintenance to be roadworthy again, it stands as a solid example of a late 90s Silverado.
Number 7.
1981 Chevrolet C20, price $8,000, finished in tan with a matching interior, is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. With just 26,000 original miles verified by Carfax, it is a true one-owner truck with a clean title and a current smog certificate dated September 18, 2025. The body and paint are in excellent condition with no rust, and the interior is very well preserved. It features dual gas tanks and working air conditioning that only needs a recharge. 100% original and unmodified, this truck runs, drives, and shifts like new, with no leaks, no mechanical issues, and only needing new tires.
Number 8.
1985 Ford F250, price $4,500. It comes equipped with a 351 Windsor V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline in a 2WD setup. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior is blue and remains completely original, adding to its vintage charm.
Recently, the truck received several important upgrades, including brand new heads, a new intake, and an HEI distributor.
2 new fuel tanks with sending units were also installed, ensuring reliability for longer drives.
The tires are in good shape with plenty of life left.
While it does tend to run a bit hot when cruising at highway speeds, around town it serves as a dependable work truck or a trustworthy rig for everyday use. With its clean looks, updated components, and proven durability, this F250 is ready for its next owner to put it to work or enjoy as a classic hauler.
Number 9.
1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, features a brown exterior with a matching brown interior, powered by gasoline and equipped with an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it runs on a swapped 350 motor with just 60,000 miles, while the body itself has a little over 100,000 miles.
The truck has recently received a new fuel pump, fuel filter, and battery, making it ready to hit the road or pasture without worry. Like many classic pickups of its era, there is some rust in the common areas, but overall the body remains in decent condition for its age. Its four-wheel drive system makes it capable and reliable in rough terrain, whether you're navigating farm property, driving across pastures, or taking it out on a hunting lease. Number 10.
1985 Chevrolet 2500, price $2,900. It is powered by a 350 small block engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, running on gasoline. The truck has received several recent updates, including all new vacuum lines, brand new stainless steel long tube headers, fresh spark plugs and wires, a new dash mat, and new seat covers. The engine runs well, and the transmission shifts smoothly through all gears. The bed is very solid with only minor rust limited to the bedsides, while the frame and underside remain in good condition.
All 4 tires also hold air without issue. On the downside, the truck does show rust on the body along with areas of bondo repair.
The driver's side floor pan could benefit from either a patch or replacement. Additionally, it has a power steering fluid leak and a small coolant leak, both of which have not yet been addressed.